Hello everyone! Welcome back to the TaxTron channel. In today's video, we'll explain the difference between caution and error messages in TaxTron Web and show you how to handle them while preparing a tax return. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search Netfile T2 and sign in to your TaxTron Web account. Click New Return. Enter the required taxpayer information, and then click Next. First is caution messages. As you complete the return, you may occasionally see a yellow caution message at the bottom of the page. These messages appear when information may be missing or requires your attention. You can either enter the missing information immediately or continue preparing the return by clicking Next. However, it is recommended that you review and resolve all caution messages before printing or filing the return to ensure the information is complete and accurate. Secondly, error messages. You may also encounter error messages which are highlighted in red. These indicate the required information is missing or invalid and must be corrected. Unlike caution messages, error messages identify issues that must be resolved before the tax return can be successfully printed or electronically filed. At the end of the return, you can review all caution messages by opening the Review and File section. There, a red notification badge will appear, indicating the number of items that require your attention, including caution messages and any errors that need to be reviewed. Then review each one, make the necessary corrections, and continue until all errors have been resolved. And that's it! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the TaxTron channel.